Welcome to another episode of Hardcat Basics. In this episode, I'll showcase the features of the new Hardcat Alerts function and how to configure them. What are alerts? Alerts have been created based on user feedback of wanting to be able to be informed on specific system-based events when generated directly through the Hardcat user interface or Hardcat web, such as when new records being created or changes to a certain field. When an alert is triggered, this information is relayed back to a specific person or group via email. The Hardcat development team has incorporated this function into every facet of the Hardcat system. Every entity and module and any more non-text fields in Hardcat can have this applied. To access the alerts function, you can simply click on the bell icon or go Lists and select Alerts. This will bring you up to the List of Alerts dialog screen. From here, using the area drop-down, we can go to all the different areas where we can apply alerts. If you're an existing version 3 client and upgrading to Hardcat version 4, using either the Help Desk module or Maintenance module, the auto notification functionality to engineer or owners has been now incorporated into the alerts function. In this example, let's go through and create a new asset alert. To do this, we first of all select the area, Assets, and select New. Now, with our Detail of Alert screen open, we can go through and give our alert a description. This description is shown in our list of alerts. This example today will be based around when an asset's location is moved. So I'm going to give this a description. The next we have is an email subject. This is the subject header line that will be presented to the user in their inbox. We also can enter information into the email body button. This will be written into the email body as presented to the user. We can specify if this alert is active, or we can deactivate it if it's not required anymore. Now, how is this alert triggered? This alert is triggered based around when the location is moved. So in this instance, instead of being a new record or any field changed, we are going to select specific field changed. In this instance, we're going to select location code. I'm not concerned about it moving to a specific location. If I was, I could have selected the specific value tick box and selected a specific location. But in this instance, I will not. The next step is to select who will this alert be sent to. The selected recipients can be either based on a search result. We can select people manually by selecting Select Manually and pressing the Choose button. Or it can be a person associated to the asset. In this instance, I'm going to alert the person who is associated to that asset that has been moved. Our final options that we have available to us when this alert is being sent is what information do we want to present to the user or to the person getting the email sent to them. We can apply a fixed report, we could apply a custom report, we could apply an export definition, as well we can apply a report which will be then written into the body of the email. In this instance, I'm going to attach the Asset Individual Details report, and now I can press OK. Now that this alert has been created, anytime now an asset is moved, either via Hardcat or Hardcat Web, the owner of the asset will get an email alerting them to the move. This process can be repeated for any type of notification or alert that a user may need based around new assets, new work orders, new problems, new stock entries, new purchase orders, or any other movements or data changes within the system. Thank you for watching this episode of Hardcat Basics. If you have any other questions about anything you've seen in this episode, please don't hesitate to contact Hardcat support.